What is present perfect simple? Well, we use it in a number of ways. First of all, we use it to talk about life experiences. So I can say that I have been to Alaska, but I haven't been to Japan. We also use present perfect simple when we want to talk about an action that began in the past and is still relevant in the present. So I can say that I have known you now for 2 years. I first met you 2 years ago, and I still know you. We also use present perfect simple to talk about a repeated action in the past. We never say when that action happened. Here's an example. I have read that book many times. I have watched that movie as many times as I have read that book.